I'm making a blog about my trip to Blairsville. So in a nutshell, that's all it is me talking about how I discovered Blairsville, why I like to vacation there, what is Blairsville, where is it at, and this is basically just me documenting different things about the trip. So if you do not like long videos, this is not for you. I'm driving right now, but just wanted to make a quick introduction that this is my trip to Blairsville and I'm documenting it in a vlog-like style. And if you do like long videos though, and you like videos like this about traveling and different things, then you are in for a treat, because I'm going to document stuff and then talk about it. So that's the short version, and this is the long version. So here comes the long introduction, but that's my short introduction. I should have probably already been filming, but I just wasn't thinking about it. I've just been packing up and snuggling with my Thunder and just letting him jump on my shoulders, and just been taking my time this morning. I am going to the mountains, and I am going to a place called Blairsville, Georgia. It's an itty little bitty town, like hole in the wall type town, but it's so charming, so cute, and I love the people there. I love the shops, I love the area. It's just beautiful. And the reason I found it was I was doing a photo shoot in Suches, Georgia, on the top of a mountain, on Preacher's Rock. And so I went hiking, drove up, woke up and did my makeup, and that's a video that needs to be made. It's in queue. It's gonna happen one day. But woke up early, did my makeup, drove up there, hiked the mountain. I think it was maybe 2 miles, I'm not sure, and then did a photo shoot on top of the mountain, and then had to hike back down as the sun was setting, and it was freezing. And so I had so much fun, but then I was thinking I'm gonna have to have a place to stay, because I'm gonna be really tired afterwards. So I figured I would sleep and then drive home the next day, and so that's what I did. And so when I was looking for a hotel, I found there was 2 locations that were really close to the Woody Gap Trail that I was on. But Blairsville was like a straight shot. There wasn't a lot of turns, and it was just like, get on this road and go straight up, and there you go, there's the hotel. And I was like, okay, well that seems simple, let's just go there, to Blairsville. Didn't know what it was. I just needed a hotel, just needed a place to crash. And so I go there. We get there at night after dark, so that was kind of frustrating, trying to figure out where to turn, because it wasn't very well lit. But we finally got there, and then the next morning when I woke up, I discovered that I was in this absolutely beautiful location, a charming town. And I asked my friend who was with me, I said, do you mind if we explore the town a little bit before we head home? I mean, we've got time. And so she was like, yeah, sure. So we got to walk around and look. I told myself that I would go back there because it was so charming. And so I did. I think I went for my birthday or something the next year. And after that, I've just been in love with it. It was love at first sight kind of thing. So I've been vacationing there since I was 30 years old. So this is my 3rd year going to Blairsville. And I love it. It's just charming and cute. And I love the vibe up there. And there's always something new to find. So anyways, I decided that since I'm going, maybe this time I would make a vlog video. It's gonna be kind of sporadic, kind of on the fly, because the weather is very rainy and kind of dreary, and I don't know what all I'll be able to do. It just depends on the weather. So it's literally gonna be a thing of wake up and see what I can do today kind of thing, but I'm gonna try to make the most of it because I get to get away, I get to slow down and just chill, and I need that so bad. So anyway, so I'm driving right now, but I just wanted to go ahead and make the introduction and say this is what I'm doing. And so this video is going to be different, but I thought, why not document it? Bro, this is the most shadiest
bathroom I've ever been in, but I had to pee so bad, so I came in here, and this is how I locked the door. I locked the door. There's no lock, so I locked the door like this. So yeah, this, and it smells like drugs in here. Yeah, shady, just shady. The first stop, we're finally in Blairsville, and I'm going to Walmart. This is what I do when I get somewhere. I go to the grocery store and get food. So we're here. It's beautiful here. One of the first things I do when I am on vacation is if I'm going to the beach, I will just go to the beach first and hang out at the beach, swim, and then I leave and go get groceries and then go to my Airbnb. Here it's different. If I get here early enough, I might go to like a local park and do some hiking, and then go to the grocery store and then go to the Airbnb. But since it's so late and it'll be dark soon, I thought about going to a local park, but it's been rainy. And so I thought, you know what, maybe I'll just get some groceries and go to the Airbnb and just hang out for the night. So that is what I am doing, is I'm here on my first pit. And then we're getting walking to Walmart. Here we go, guys. And so one of the things I was doing when I first started pet sitting a lot is I would buy a lot of groceries. Like, I can't go to the grocery store the next day if I need to. And so I would buy like groceries for like an entire week, and I would spend so much money, and then I wouldn't even use half of the groceries. Like, I was realizing that some groceries are going to waste. And I'm like, that's a lot of money I'm spending on groceries and I'm wasting it. So I taught myself how to just buy enough stuff for like 2 or 3 days and then go back and get more. It's like amazing. It's an amazing concept that I came up with. The milk, I need the staples like milk and water. But it's like, besides that, it's like, you know, if you need something, just go back and get more later. Oh my gosh. I have this little girl smile at me. This little girl looked at me and just waved, and it was so sweet. So I waved back and smiled, and she smiled. It was really sweet. Also, somehow, from the moment that I exited my car, thinking, oh my gosh, I have to pee so bad, to the moment I came in here, I got distracted and forgot that I had to pee. And so now I'm in here like, crap, I gotta pee. Also, the chicken sandwich from Walmart is really good. I'm just walking through Walmart casually eating it. It's good. I have been walking trying to find the bathroom because my intestines are super excited to be here and they want to mark their territory. And like, finally find the freaking bathroom. I am taking a break from shopping to go use the bathroom. Okay, since my bowels have been relieved, it's time to go back to shopping. Let's go. All right, let's get some junk food. You want to check the expiration date, okay? Because if it's like December 25, it's old. Don't get it. If it's like almost a year out, it's good. It's fresh. Get it. This is why, ignore the noise. There's a motorcycle. This is why I love shopping here. Gosh, the motorcycle is so freaking loud. Sorry. I love it. You walk out and you see mountains all around you. That's the beauty about Blairsville. You're just surrounded by them. They're everywhere. This is beautiful. Also, the people here are sheltered. Some of them are like, it's a positive response to see me. Other people are like, baby, it's okay. I'm not gonna bite you. I'll only bite you if I like you. She loves being here. Look how happy she is. Now, she looks so much happier at the beach. I think Landslide is a little upset that I'm not at the beach, but she's happy to be here. She's just not as happy, like, I don't know, she looks happier at the beach. That's all I can explain it. Like, I can tell she's not as happy, but she will get over it. It's an adventure. Get over it, Landslide. Okay, so now it's time to finish my sandwich and look up the GPS for like how to get to Renee's house, which is where I'm staying. So I know sort of how to get to her house. I just can't remember which road to take. GPS time. I'm gonna text her. It's so pretty. Okay, so sorry, I don't know what that was. All of my favorite stores are closed. They close at either 5 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it is almost 6 o'clock. So I guess that is just a sign that I need to just rest and go to the Airbnb and hang out for the night and just get settled and unpack and just stay there for the night. So I just thought, since it was so pretty, go to the local park, but I have cold stuff. So yeah, I need to do something besides sit here. So to the Airbnb or to the salon. Alright, I'm here in the place at the house. It's really cute. So I made it, and it's time to unpack. So you go through the gate and walk down this really pretty path, and I stay in the basement of this beautiful house. This is the backyard. She said that the leaves are just now changing colors. And this is a really big back porch. There's usually always deer back here. So I'm hoping at some point to see some deer. I love sitting on this swing. It's a lot of fun. And anyways, here we go. So she gave me a rose from her garden. I'm just adding some water to it. And then I'll give you a tour of the Airbnb. Okay, so now that I am settled in, I am going to show you around on this Airbnb. I am a solo traveler. I travel by myself. So I look for places that I can have privacy and have space to, you know, put my stuff down. I really don't need a lot of stuff for just myself. I don't sit on the couch. I don't watch TV. I like to work on my computer. I love sitting at a kitchen table or a desk rather than sitting on a couch. Don't ask me why. I'm just weird. I just need somewhere that I can have a desk for working on the computer and a bed to sleep in. So really and truly, I feel like this space is really too big for me, but I really like it. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below if you would like to stay here in the Blairsville area. It's a really tight-knit community, so I highly recommend if you like that small Hallmark community feel, this is the place for you to come and vacation at. So here we have a sofa that I don't sit on, and here we have another sofa that I don't sit on. A television that you can watch, a ceiling fan, which I never use. There is this little fireplace thingamajigger that you can heat up and it puts off heat, which is really cool. Step into the kitchen area, and like I said, I have food all over. I just spread out. A cute little thing. So I have my popcorn here, extra bags here, and then some other snacks that I want to enjoy eating. And I got this piece of trash. Where'd it go? And then behind me, she has this cute little, like, this is where your dishes are, and you've got your coffee maker, toaster, and then you've got this stove top that you can use for cooking. The light switch is on the floor, so you just do. This is the kitchen. The only downside is there's no sink for like washing dishes. You actually have to go to the bathroom to do that. So that's the only thing that drives me crazy, is if I want to wash a dish, I have to go all the way to the bathroom. I just wanted to take a pit stop though and just talk about how beautiful these steps are. I love, like, this is beautiful wood. I love sitting here. Like, I would rather sit here on the steps than in the on the couch. Like, I can't explain it, but I love sitting here. And so this is where I will sit when I want to put my shoes on or take my shoes off. I sit here by the sexy rail. Yeah, this space is, I love the floor here and these steps. Don't ask me why, I just do. So you've got a mirror that you can watch yourself dance in, and I use this to put stuff on. You also do have another mirror over there in the corner that you can rave and like watch yourself dance. And over there is where I like to work. I was gonna put my electric blanket on the bed, and this is the one I snuggle with, and I got busy and stopped. I got distracted, so anyways, I'll get back to it. Also, you have a dresser here that you can put stuff in. In here is the bathroom, which is so pretty. I love the wall. This is a really cool picture. I just wanted to show it. Don't know who took this photo, but it's beautiful. So really pretty countertop, only one sink. That is the only drawback to the space. And then you also have these little side tables. I still have to find my toothbrush. And then the toilet, and you've got this really pretty shower. And then in here you have plenty of towels. You can hide and seek in here. Only I would think about that. My grandmother had one that had a door on the other side to the laundry room, so I would go in one side and come out the other. And sometimes she'd be on the toilet and I would surprise her. I would come out like a little troll, like, "Oh, don't mind me." And she'd be on the toilet and be like, "Oh my gosh." I wouldn't be paying attention to her. Like, I am running. I am playing Assassin's Creed right now. I am being a spy. Like, I am trying to get to the other room. And so anyways, it was really funny. But yeah, I like the closet and this rack. So it's a really pretty bathroom. I love the ceiling. Can we just take a moment? I'm sorry. Can we take a moment and just look at this? It's beautiful. That is it. That is the tour. Tonight is just gonna be hanging out. I'm gonna work on the computer. I'm ending this video, or this segment of video. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to make it one big long video or if it's going to be like a series. I don't know. So I don't know how to end this. I'm just going to end it.